it. They all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000.
Hello beautiful people and welcome back to this channel. My name is Caroline Wambui, and as the title reads, today we are going to spend a day together with you just doing homemaking, or rather it's just the habits I do to just keep my home clean. And of course, the first thing that I usually do every morning is cleaning up. Yeah, laundry is an everyday affair in this house, and I do it just daily. There are other things that we're going to do together is just cleaning up the house, the bedroom, the living room, a snippet of just cleaning the kitchen because it's a bit smaller. I think I'll just have to do it on its own because filming the same really takes a lot of time because of the space in the kitchen. And I'll also take you through some grocery haul, and that will be it with this video. And allow me to apologize before you can even watch. Yeah, lighting has just been doing me dirty. I don't know if it's because of the weather. Yeah, my house is in the second floor, and even though you try using a ring light with this bad weather, the lighting is just compromising. Yeah, apologies. I think there's nothing I can do about it, but I'm really trying my best to just give you the best quality. Yeah, allow me to welcome all the new subscribers before we can even watch further. In case you are watching me for the first time, allow me to thank you specially. Thank you for joining this family. Here you're going to get motivated to be a better homemaker because you are going to find a lot of homemaking content in this channel. Some cleaning, some cooking, and of course some hauls and makeovers whenever we have the money. So stick around, hit the notification bell so that every time I upload or premiere a new video, you can always be among the first to be notified. I usually do my videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays at about 2 p.m. Yeah, so just spare some time, some 20 minutes of your time to just come and watch what I have prepared for you. So let's be better homemakers. Here you're going to get all that motivation. Yeah.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep.
if there's something that really keeps me off is a dirty bucket, and especially if it accumulates the white foam outside. I really hate its appearance, and I think for a long time I've not taken care of these buckets. I prefer cleaning them immediately I finish washing, but I've been doing so though not thoroughly. I think I should get back to that to just easy in my work. Yeah, and I have a lot of promotional buckets. Yes, I don't think nowadays, by the way, even though I pick a product in the supermarket and the offer is a bucket, I don't usually pick it because I just think I have enough, and I've given out a lot of them. Yes, a lot. I think during Corona period, I had been using the Persil soap a lot, and every other time I used to buy it, I used to get a bucket, and I remember I had so many buckets, and I even had to give out some. Others I took at home because they were too many in the bathroom. Yeah, the next thing I did is just cleaning the outside, the outdoor cleaning, and I normally do this every Tuesday after we remove the litter outside on Monday. Yeah, just to keep my space clean. Our caretaker doesn't clean outside the door, they just do the stairs, so you have to do it on yourself. Yeah, and you can imagine when the neighbors have cleaned and your space is only left dirty, it's that shaming. It's also a shaming, and I did take care of it. Yeah.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about 4-leaf clovers. I've got composure. Silver coin, you hold me, turn me over right now. But expect.
The other thing I did was spot cleaning my carpet in the bedroom, and yeah, here lighting was even worse, and I'm sorry for that. And ignore that bed. Yeah, I decided to leave it that way for some air. Yeah, I had removed all the beddings, I had cleaned them, and I just left it to just air the whole day before I could come spread it later in the evening. Yeah, this carpet rarely gets dirty, and I was just doing it just for the formality. Actually, it was not so dirty. I was just removing the tiny particles which will be there. Yeah, the next thing I did was also taking care of the mirror, and yeah, for the mirror I normally use my Sufficient glass cleaner, and it does some magic. You don't even strain cleaning it, just going through it using dry clothes, just leave it sparkling clean. And Sufficient cleaner is very affordable. Yeah, I think it was about 200 and something shillings. It's not so expensive. Yeah, if the price has not gone up yet. And actually I've used mine for such a long time. I think it's heading to about 7 months or so, by the way, because I don't think I use it so much unless I'm doing a deep clean. And of course you don't use so much of it because it's only for going through the surfaces. Sorry. Yeah, if you can get it, just buy it. Sufficient products are very affordable. I'm not doing a promotion, but that is the truth. They clean so well, and they are very affordable. I also take care of the living room carpet, and this one I clean it like daily. But for the deep clean, I normally do it twice a week. I really can't wait to get a vacuum cleaner when the time is right. Yeah, because it's quite tiresome to clean using this method, by the way. The back really gets tired and use a lot of energy just scrubbing with the foam. Yeah, here I was going minimal with the foam because I didn't want to take the carpet outside. I just wanted to dry it in the house on its own. Yeah, so I went minimal, and the turnout was so good.
Seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our peace pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure. Silver coin, you hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watches the breeze, burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear, and the sedation. I don't sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you keep in your disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want?
So guys, these are items that my brother brought for me. I think yesterday he was in Marikiti Market, and I am a very lucky person to have a very caring and responsible brother living around me. And he brought for me so many items that I'll show you. Yeah, the first thing is onions. And they were going, I think he told me, at 170 per kg. Then I have a lot of sweet potatoes there. Yes, a lot of capsicum and carrots. You can see they are very, very fresh. Actually, I was planning to go for a grocery haul, for a grocery shopping, but I think I will just get what he didn't bring. Some oranges here, and they are very big sized, and some lemon, and also some tomatoes. May God bless him wherever he is. I think I am halfway sorted, not halfway, actually 3/4 way sorted with my groceries, and may God bless him abundantly. Yeah, so those are what he brought for me. I think I will just add on the fruits because that is what is not in plenty. Yeah, and I will be good to go. In case I buy them, maybe I'll include them in the next video. Yeah, so that is it about the grocery shopping. Yeah. In case you have watched this video up to this point, allow me to say thank you. Thank you for sparing your time to just come and catch up with what I've prepared for you. So let's just clean what needs to be cleaned, and I will leave them to dry on their own. And in this case, since the weather is not so good and they might end up not drying, I will just place a towel underneath, and you're going to see that at the end. Of course, for the cleaning, I normally use some vinegar, yeah, so that I can just remove all the germs. Vinegar is just a good cheap product that can be used in almost anything, cleaning the surfaces, cleaning the grocery, fruits, and everything in the house. Yani, it is just multi-purpose fridge cleaning, and it's just the best and very affordable.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, feels like